Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Dana Point, local, and long-distance movers near me. Our qualified movers understand how to make certain your long-distance move doesn't include all the stress. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, our experts will help. Our moving services give you all the right choices to individualize your move for your particular requirements. Hiring us means you get access to all the standard long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Working with a local California moving company may seem unnecessary initially. However, if you start to notice the advantages, the price is well worth it. A good moving company will really help you save time, no matter how far you're relocating. Movers can also assure you don't have to deal with any of the heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you get experts ready to make your local move very easy. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you obtain a structured approach for moving day. A move that may take you all weekend to perform, we can take care of in a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dana Point moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.